Hey everybody, got a really short video for you today. We're in Fusion 360 and we're going to be talking about a T-Spline plane or a forms plane and what the difference is between that and a normal construction plane. So we're going to jump on over, and when you're in your normal build space, you have right here your purple cube that create forms. We'll click on that and it changes all of our features and brings us into the forms creating space. So the plane features right here, we're going to click on that. It's going to prompt us to choose an existing plane, so we'll just click this base plane. And unlike a construction plane is more of a surface in which you're going to be sketching on, whereas a T-spline plane or a forms plane is actually more of a surface that's going to have lots of points on it that you can manipulate. So we're going to click right here, and I'm actually just going to click right away. I'm not going to type in the dimensions, and the reason for that is I can still edit them afterwards in this case. And so let's just do 5 inches by 3 inches. But we also have these two draw tabs right here, and so I can grab onto it and you can see the little plus and negative. If I go this way, that's going to decrease to 0, or I can increase it and just have tons. I can type the number 8 there or over here, but let's just drag them for this case. And you can see it's adding all of these little boxes or these cross sections. So some other things that we can edit though is we can also change the symmetry. This is really important because it speeds things up. It's kind of like a mirror feature. So you can click mirror, and it's giving us an option for the length as well as the width. And you can see that it's creating a mirror line in which I can copy things in the future as I want to manipulate this plane. So it also has operation for a new body, but it only offers a new body. So I don't know why that's there. And we'll just click OK. And I'm just going to really quickly demonstrate how these mirror lines are actually really important. So we're going to just click modify, and let's just click on this point right there and lift it up. And there you can see that it's copying all 4 directions. So really important, and that's really it. That's just the basis of making a plane in forms or a T-spline plane. Really, it's really basic. Real quick video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Forms is a really interesting thing that Fusion 360 has as an option for 3D modeling, and I definitely think I'm going to be diving into a lot more videos about forms and T-splines in the future. So if you have any questions, please put them down below. That'll really help guide me into opening up more of these features. So thanks again for watching, and as always, keep on modeling.